Hi, Sharon Downey here with another 2-minute tip. This week it's 2 tips in 2 minutes. First tip, want to wear your hair curled, but you haven't got time for a variety of different reasons, and you need to get on about your day. Well, here's a fast and easy tip with just a sponge roller and a scrunchie. So I'm going to take all my hair and put it up into a ponytail. Now, with people who have hair about this length, you know, some of you wear your hair, for those with curly hair, you wear, a roller to bed, maybe in the top, or a sock bun or something like that. Well, this is kind of the same thing, only for day wear. Now, I'm taking this sponge roller and wrapping it around the hair. Now, the thing I love about sponge rollers is you can make the curl as tight or as loose as you want, depending on how tightly you roll it. Okay. Now that that's in, let me just pull back a little bit more. Then you take your scrunchie and you simply put it over top, like so. And then you make sure that you use the scrunchie hair to cover over the roller. Secure with a bobby pin. And then you're good to go about the day doing your errands or whatever. At day's end, you got a date with hubby or whoever, and you want to let your hair down and flowing. You just whip off your scrunchie, take out the roller, turn your head upside down and back a la Rita Hayworth, and you've got some wonderful curls that are fresh and vibrant. And tip number 2, I have a dome brush here that is in my rather massive collection of brushes that I've had over the years. I needed a denser brush for around my eyes, and I needed a smaller one, but there's no way I'm going to go buy another brush. So what I did was I took an elastic band and I simply wrapped it around the base of the brush as many times as you need to. What that's doing is making the brush more dense because it's bringing the bristles in and tightening them up. There, now that's smaller and it's more dense. So let me just get a little closer here for you. So what I like to use it for is when I'm putting on my makeup, I need to push the dual finish powder. I push it in like this and push it along here, like that. I also push it around the nose and around the corners of the mouth. Why? Because it pushes the makeup in better. There's several ways to wear your dual finish powder, and you can put it on with just a sponge, with a damp sponge for more difficult areas, with a regular foundation brush or whatever. It all depends on what your skin needs are. But I've noticed for me, because I'll have a picture here hopefully of how I look normally, but I'm finding that my eyes I needed to push it in more, and I found that this really works well. The other thing that I've done is I've started using MAC Longwear Pro Longwear concealer. Sometimes, I just mean sometimes, after I've put my makeup on, then I put a little bit of concealer in where it needs it, and then I take this brush to add just a little bit more powder over top. Works great for the entire day. So that's it. A curly do you can wear during the day in camouflage, and a dome brush made nice and dense for the inner corners of your eyes. Hope those help. We'll see you next time.